Do you know how much corn he just bought in this?
That was about 300 bushels.
300 bushel.
Yes.
How many gallons is a bushel?
A bushel is 56 pounds.
66 pounds. Ok. Li sot vide 300 bouchel mayi. Li sot vide 300 bouchel mayi nan bak la. Ki vle di 66 pounds, 66 livres et corn. Okay, what's the name of this truck?
That's called an auger cart.
Auger
Cart.
auger cart. That's an auger cart. So I'm just telling you there is a way to do things better. There is a way, because if you were to pick up corns in 1,200
112
acre of corn, that would take probably 3 months, 4 months with a bunch of guys who are just joking around, right? Okay, okay, guys, thank you very much. Thank you very much for letting me do this.
Yes, sir.
So that we can show my people there is a better way.
Yes, sir.
Okay, merci en pile parce que nous acceptez moi petit vidéo ça pour capable montrer moun moi yo que gon façon nous ka faire bagay yo différent. Okay, so is there anything you want to tell the people?
Nope, that's it. Sorry. I'm busy. I gotta go.